Tell them what it is. Smoke Kitty Entertainment. Come on. Yeah. Tell them what it is. You're not my girl, not my wife. Got a couple tips from Mike. I'm moonwalking out your life. I close my eyes, you out of sight. Now she wanna call me conceited, cause I'm a smooth criminal, I told her to beat it. When a little love was all I needed, you talking, I call it how I see it, and now I mean it. I'm out for good, like a lottery when I'm moving out the hood. But if I told you to take me back, you would. Too late, me and P like pocket should. Had you in the cars for the metro, with a couple superstars in the ghetto. Now you feeling so sorry, you let go of the T-E-M-P-A Metro.
Obviously, never been with a real OG. From the HIT, rolling B.I.G. Passing through VIP, it's the YG. Come spread some love like the gold rush. It was the things you did that used to mean so much. With every touch, the way you used to blush. Now I'm leaving you brush, don't believe in stuff. Nonsense, lovers, don't promote violence. Nonsense, it's like the dollar, no sense. So good, I can feel it through my sixth sense. What's this? Wanna suck my existence? But still, I believe in you and me. Quite frankly, that's how it's supposed to be. That kind of love like an end in poverty. So I keep scope like a Kennedy. Yeah.